Get started. First things first, we need to get BlueStacks. Open your web browser and go to BlueStacks.com. The official link is in the description. You'll see a big download button right on the homepage. Go ahead and click that to download the installer. Once it's downloaded, open the file. The installation is simple. Just click Install Now and let the program do its thing. This might take a few minutes. All right, once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. The first boot up can take a minute or two, so be patient. The interface looks a lot like an Android tablet. Your first and most important step is to sign in to the Google Play Store. Click the Play Store icon and sign in with your Google account. Use the same one you use on your phone. This will sync your games and data. Now for the fun part. With your account signed in, the Play Store works exactly like it does on your phone. You can search for any game you want. Let's try Call of Duty Mobile. Find it in the search results, click, and hit Install. It is that simple. You can find all your installed games on the BlueStacks home screen. Before we get into controls, let's cover the single biggest mistake people make. If BlueStacks feels laggy or slow, it's almost always because virtualization is disabled on your computer. You have to enable this in your PC's BIOS. You can usually access the BIOS by pressing the Delete, F2, or F12 key when your PC is first booting up. Look for a setting called Intel Virtualization Technology, or AMDV, and make sure it's enabled. Trust me, this one change makes all the difference. If that tip just saved you a major headache, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and lets me know I'm providing good value for you. This is where BlueStacks becomes a true game changer. Launch the game you installed. On the right-hand side, you'll see a toolbar. Click the keyboard icon to open Game Controls. Then click Controls Editor. This screen is your command center. You can literally drag and drop controls onto the screen. Want to move with WASD? Drag the D-pad control over the in-game joystick. Want to aim with the mouse? Drag the Aim, Pan, and Shoot control onto the screen. You can assign any key to any button. Take 5 minutes to set this up for your favorite game. Save it, and it will feel like a native PC game. One last tip for the absolute best performance. Click the gear icon on the side toolbar to open settings. Under the Performance tab, you can give BlueStacks more CPU cores and more RAM. If you have a powerful PC, crank these up. Under the Display tab, you can increase the resolution to 1080p or even higher. This is how you make mobile games look better than they ever could on a phone. And there you have it. You are now fully equipped to play any mobile game on your PC. No more battery anxiety, no more cramped hands, just pure gaming. If you like this guide, wait until you see the best games to try this on. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!